Imagine stone walls stretching farther than the distance between London and Rome. Built without cement, without modern tools, and constructed with such precision that they still stand centuries later. In southern Africa, the Great Zimbabwe rises in silence. In West Africa, the Benin City walls once formed one of the largest man-made structures on Earth. Yet for centuries, these engineering marvels were ignored, minimized, or erased from mainstream history. The question is unavoidable. How did ancient African civilizations build structures this advanced, long before European contact? Let's begin with Great Zimbabwe. Constructed between the 11th and 15th centuries, its walls reach over 11 meters high and were built using dry stone masonry, no mortar, no binding agent. Each granite block was precisely shaped and placed so tightly that the structure remained stable hundreds of years later. This level of craftsmanship requires advanced geological knowledge, precise stone-cutting techniques, mathematical planning and architectural foresight. Now consider the Benin City walls of Nigeria. European explorers in the 15th century described a massive network of earthworks and walls stretching for thousands of miles, longer than the Great Wall of China. These walls weren't random. They followed a sophisticated grid system, with defensive moats, gateways, and urban planning that revealed a deeply organized society. This wasn't accidental architecture. It was intentional engineering. For decades, colonial historians refused to believe Africans could have built such structures. Some claimed Great Zimbabwe was built by Phoenicians. Others attributed it to Arabs or lost European travelers. But archaeology tells a different story. Carbon dating of artifacts found within Great Zimbabwe confirms local African origins. Pottery, tools, and cultural remains match the Shona civilization, not foreign settlers. Similarly, Benin's walls were constructed by the Edo people, whose bronze casting and urban planning were already world-class. These structures don't challenge African capability. They destroy the myth of primitive African societies. Did these civilizations exist in isolation? Evidence suggests trade links with North Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, including gold, ivory, and spices. But the engineering itself is distinctly African. To build these megastructures required centralized leadership, skilled labor forces, long-term resource management, advanced social coordination. These walls served more than defense. They were symbols of power, trade dominance, and cultural identity. Africa was not behind the world. It was actively shaping it. The Great Zimbabwe and the Benin City walls force us to rethink everything we were taught about ancient technology and civilization. They prove that innovation did not belong to one continent. Engineering genius existed across Africa. History is incomplete, not because it was lost, but because it was ignored. These forgotten megastructures are not relics of mystery. They are monuments of African brilliance. And as archaeology continues to uncover the past, one truth becomes clearer. The story of human progress cannot be told without Africa at its center. The walls still stand. The evidence is real. And history is finally catching up.